What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all my favorite scents for the season, and I was also using the scents for the upcoming holiday season. Right now I'm loving this pumpkin apple hand soap. It's one of my favorites. It's located in a guest bathroom. I'm also loving this pumpkin pie wallflower. It's a delicious spiced pumpkin scent. In the kitchen, I'm loving this marshmallow pumpkin latte. As you can see, it's almost finished. It smells so good. And this is one of my favorite. This is in the boys' bathroom. This is a lavender vanilla scent. It smells really good too. In my bathroom, I'm loving the champagne toast. And this one is a really girly scent. It smells amazing. I love candles. I light a candle every day, and in this bathroom I'm loving the bergamot waters. In the kitchen I'm loving this white pumpkin. This is like a true pumpkin scent if you're loving pumpkin scents for the fall season. And these are just some scents that I'll be loving for the upcoming holiday season. The afternoon apple picking scent. It has like a real Christmassy scent. I'm also loving the sunshine and lemon. I'm gonna have that one in the kitchen for when the marshmallow pumpkin latte is finished. Also the apple cinnamon cider. That's a great Christmas scent, and I love that it's red. I also bought the wallflower for the white pumpkin. It smells exactly like the candle. The eucalyptus mint, that's a great scent for the bathroom. The pumpkin apple, the hand soap that I already have, the wallflower, smells exactly the same, and it smells really good. That will be great for the holiday seasons also. And my favorite, which is the lavender vanilla, I just got an additional one because the scent only lasts, the wallflowers only last for 30 days. And the other candle that I have is the gooey caramel, and that one I plan on using for the holiday season, and I'm just going to be rotating these candles throughout the year. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.